Hello. So for this video, I'd like to talk about using NoodleTools to keep track of our sources that we get from a database or that have already been created for us. So these I've called automatic or imported citations. So to start, we're going to log on to NoodleTools and just open up our project so it's ready. I'm working on this project about Malcolm X. I'm going to go to my sources. I found one source. You can watch the video on this. This is my manual input of biography.com. And I am browsing on the Westinghouse campus library page under resources. If you scroll all the way to the bottom, we have some online databases. So just using research in context, I'm going to search for Malcolm X. And I have a good deal of biographies and reference articles about Malcolm X. So if I look under my biographies, this one's from 2019. That sounds pretty recent. And if I decide that I like this article, it looks long enough for my purposes, and I want to remember this article or I want to use this article for my project, I can go to Citation Tools, and I have two options here. I can copy and paste this citation, and I'll show you how to do that first. So I'm going to copy the citation. I'm going to go to NoodleTools. I'm going to create a new citation from a database. We'll say it's a journal. And I'm going to go right here to Quick Cite, copy and paste the citation. Going to paste it and then save it. So that's one option to do an automatic citation if that's available for you. The second option is if I go back to my citation tools on research and context, I can export this citation to NoodleTools directly. So I go to export. It will automatically open a new window. Make sure this was the article that I wanted. This looks good and I don't need to edit them. I'm going to make sure that it's going to select the correct project and then import my references. So it automatically does it, gives you this green bar at the top, and if you go back to your NoodleTools account and you reload the page, you should see that it's here. Now you'll notice that this is a book versus a journal. They're slightly different. It doesn't really matter. The only real difference is that the second citation says Farmington Hills, which we didn't know about for this citation, but either citation is perfectly appropriate. I'm just going to go ahead and delete one of these citations so I don't have duplicates. I do want to show you that you can use NoodleTools to keep track of the websites and databases you've used, the electronic sources. If you input the URL correctly, you will be able to click and go back to that exact article. So it's really great when we say citation management software. It's going to help you stay organized for your project. So this is how you do an automatic citation. You can export it directly from a database, or you can copy and paste it into NoodleTools. The next step would be exporting all of your sources into a works cited page, and you can watch the additional video for that.